Ooh, gee, what's this? He crushed it. Oh, eat that spoon. What are you? You're a dog in it. Oh, look at the size of this gill. Look at the size of this gill. Look at this gill. That is a bluegill. Look at the lump in his head, and it chowed that Pinhead Mino. We've been catching crappies like this. Gonna have a dinner tonight, and this absolute sow destroyed it. I need the forceps on this one. I got my tungsten tool here. I'm gonna show you this fish once I can get it unhooked here really quick. Hold on, buddy. This tungsten tool off my waist too. Just a giant bluegill. Come on, buddy. They like this pinhead, no doubt about it. He absolutely chowed it. We're fishing this sunup bite this morning, really targeting crappies, to be honest. And this guy, did you see this moose? Absolutely chowed it. Look at that thing. Way bigger than my hand. Not gonna measure it, we're gonna let it go, but it's probably gotta be close to 10. Here you go, I'll show him my hand here, up my arm. Bye, buddy. Thanks for playing. It's super important to let those big bluegills go because that's the genetics of this lake. Keeping crappies like this for dinner, just fine. Big bluegills, let them go to grow. Get out there and chase down some fish. Mark. Take it. Oh, he missed it. There he is. Oh, that one spanked it. What's it? Oh, come on, big boy. It was just spinning like another big gill. Where you at? Oh, nice gill. Nice gill. Oh, another Pinhead Mino bluegill. Just chowed that thing. Look at that thing. Pinhead right in its snout. Get this thing unhooked and show you here. Again, what we're after. He just annihilated that pinhead. I can get this one without the forceps. That's what we're after. Big, broad-shouldered bluegills. This guy's gonna swim to live another day. These big gills gotta go back. See you, bud. Ooh, stay down. Where you at? Ooh, hooked on the bottom of the ice. Nice gill. Another nice gill. Get him off the deucer here. Another nice sunfish here, taking on a pinhead. Look at the colors on these things. Just gorgeous bluegills, big, tall head. They fill my hand, every inch of it. See you, bud. Go fight to live another day. And again, what we're using, pretty simple. Pinhead, no bait, chowing bluegills. I want to take a second to talk to you about cadence. And the cadence is the way you're jigging your presentation, your movement, your jigging sequence. We're fishing that 16th ounce Pinhead Mino from Clam. Obviously, this is one of my go-tos. I catch a lot of bluegills on this today. I've caught a pile of crappies. Jack's caught a pile of crappies. But I want to show you how I'm fishing it because that seems to be a common question. Now I'll show you on video. For starters, I'm using a 30-inch noodle rod that's got a limber tip, quick tip, strong backbone to set the hook into these bluegills and crappies. And I'm using a spooler reel. I pull the line up by hand, and I work that bait down. I want to cover the entire water column, slow down the way I fish, especially in this shallow water, and be more effective. But let me show you how I'm fishing this. Like I said, I'm just pulling it out by hand, feathering it down there. I'm working that water column. If I'm in less than 15 feet of water, I'm working that entire water column from the second I hit below the ice. I'm pulling about 3 foot out. You can see I'm dropping it down. I'm working that water column. This bait triggers a lot of the fish on the fall. Oh my gosh, watch this. One showed up. Like I said, it triggers a lot of fish on the fall down there, and I'm working it fairly aggressively. You want that bait to snap up and flutter, fall back into place. So I get down into the area I want to fish. See, I'm pretty quick snaps, almost jumps out of the window. And then if I see a fish, I'm working it. I'm not stopping this bait at all. I'm working a fish, I'm working a fish. Don't be afraid to still snap it. I got a fish right below me. I'm still snapping that bait. You know, I'm not sitting here and holding it. I'm not dead sticking it to catch these fish. I'm snapping it. Fish goes away, I snap it to get him to come back, get his attention. He's now below me. I'm still working that bait. He's going back down. Still working that bait. And it's super important that you continue to fish and not just sit there and stare. So that's really how I'm fishing this pinhead. Is see how I'm working it. I'm pretty aggressive, but that fall, I get slack in my line. The line gets slack, and on that fall is what triggers those fish. I work it up, I let it fall back down. Even when I got a fish on my screen, I'll do that exact same thing. And then sure, you can bounce it. I can dance it like this. I can get that little blade down there to flap, but I'm working it up, triggering these fish on the fall. That's the important part about this pinhead minnow. Oh, he smoked that. What's this one gonna be? Sun came up, we moved up onto a shallow fall. Big crappie, big crappie, big crappie, big crappie, big crappie. Hold on, buddy. There's a slab. Pinhead minnow. Slammed it. Sun got higher, we moved up onto a shallower weed flat. Payday. Big old lump head slab crappie. Bye, buddy. Thanks for the fight.